So today I'm going to be unboxing some things from Dragonsteel, one of my favorite places to unbox things from. This is one of my latest orders from Brandon Sanderson's company. It says fragile because I got a couple cool things. Okay, so this is actually, I already have this. This is the Tress book. It's beautiful. It's currently in plastic. And I actually got this because it was bundled with the teacup and I could get it for a better price for a friend of mine. So she really wanted this Tress book. I already got it because I just backed the Kickstarters and I'm a sucker for all of the Brandon Sanderson Kickstarters. Oh man. Every time he has one of those, I'm like, all right, goodbye, $600, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna make that up, but. So this here is the Tress cup. I'm gonna show you guys where I put these things so you can see how I display all of these little goodies that I buy. Okay, it's really cute though. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, and it's like really nicely packaged. Okay, I'm gonna just pull out the entire piece of foam. That seems safest. Okay. This is adorable. It's really cute. I mean, when you look at it closely, it's obviously printed, but from afar, it kind of looks like it's hand painted. I love this. If you're a fan of Tress, which I really was, I loved that book. It was such a cute storybook. It gave me feels. I was happy, I was sad. I mean, it was full of adventure. What more could I ask for? I'm gonna go put that up in my cute shelf upstairs in the fairy tale loft because Tress in the Emerald Sea belongs in the fairy tale loft. Okay, so I am upstairs in the loft and here is the shelf behind me. I'm going to show you where I just put the little Tress cup. So there it is next to the book. And that's the pretty version from the Kickstarter. And then here we go. It's the rest of the shelf that I've put it with. And as you can see, I feel like it really matches the tone. I have a lot of greens, a lot of like orangey, red, browns, some teals with Nausicaa, and I already have another little teacup here that a friend gifted me earlier this year, which is super cute, and it has a dragon in it. And so I think it really just perfectly fits the vibe of this shelf. These pieces are handmade by someone who we see at the Renaissance Fair each year. And that's that shelf so far. You can see I'm kind of working on this little corner here, and I'm working a lot more on the lower shelf, but I'm feeling really good about this top shelf now. I put lights in here, by the way, just so you can see. It's just a bunch of strip lights as usual. And I drill holes in everything. Although I think this one actually came with some of the holes, so because most of my furniture is also secondhand. So yeah, look at these cozy vibes. Got Hobbit things, got Avatar things, Ghibli things, some fossils. And yeah, thanks for watching. And if you're interested in seeing more of my bookshelf, you're interested in how I display things and how I kind of display a lot of my fantasy stuff, as you can see some of it behind me. I'm trying out more of these reviews, more of these sort of home tours, because people have asked me about them. And yeah, so if you want to see any more of that, please stay tuned. No, wait, what do YouTubers say? They say like and subscribe. I mean, you can like, you can subscribe. I love comments. I actually read comments. So if you want to do those, whatever, or don't, it's your life. Okay, bye.